Now, here's your Storm Tracker 13 weather.
So, Eric, no pressure, but we've got a lot of football going on and tons of events going on this weekend. You're up.
Yeah, it's that time of year, you know, when we get into the swing of things, the perfect time of year, because we're still kind of hovering here in summer into fall, and it's not too hot, it's not too humid, but trying to find that perfect balance. And the countdown to fall really does begin. 7 days away.
Nice.
It's right around the corner. 46 days until Halloween, and then we're putting the turkey on the plate in 69 days. So really, time does truly fly when we look at things, including tonight, Friday night underneath the lights. Yes, the clouds are still here in Charleston, but they're slowly but surely trying to break apart, especially back towards Huntington. It looks good. Same thing down towards Pikeville, and that's where the drier air is coming from. Also the warmth as we get into the weekend. So live dual Doppler radar dry for the most part. Little shower down here on the line over towards Prosperity, dip over towards Raleigh County, back into portions of Fayette County, right along US 19, but really not providing any harm for any of those games out there, especially when you get a beautiful sunset as those cirrus clouds and those cumulus clouds peel back. There's the sun on the horizon. Beautiful, beautiful shades of orange as well as some pink there showing up in the sky with temperatures here 71 to 75 degrees. You can't complain here on a September evening. A little bit cooler as you get into the mountains, of course, and then into the higher terrain up towards Blackwater Falls. Temperatures already creeping towards the upper 50s. A great weekend ahead because of that big blue H, the bubble of no trouble. We always talk about this as it's parked over top of us, and that allows sinking air. So you need rising air to get thunderstorms going. We just don't have that in place. Yes, we'll have a couple of clouds from time to time and maybe a spot shower along the spine of the mountains. Remember, the mountains kind of act as a bicycle ramp for moisture to creep up, and that's why we could see a pop-up shower there. Cold front back towards the west. High pressure in control. Notice what's lurking off the coastline, though. That's Hurricane Jose. It's not going to come on shore, but we could see some windy conditions down in the Outer Banks, out towards the Delmarva and eventually the Jersey Shore before it brushes pretty close to Cape Cod as we get towards the middle of next week. And there's the latest on Jose, 983 millibars on the pressure. Winds upwards of 75 miles per hour. It's a Category 1 hurricane. The hurricane hunters actually posted a video of them flying into it. Not too much in the way of turbulence, but those clouds are starting to grow, and we'll expect more of that over the warmer water. Behind that, we have double tropic trouble out there. Two storms, tropical depression number 14 and an area of investigation. We'll have to monitor that over the next 7 to 10 days on where that will go and see if that affects us as we go towards next week. All is quiet for now here on the home front. 59 degrees tonight, decrease in clouds and patchy fog. Your weekend snapshot looks great. Very nice for the Mothman Festival up in Point Pleasant. Looks pretty good. 16th annual event. Temperatures in the 80s. Out there with the Mothman, he's going to be wearing shorts and tees. And if you don't like the Mothman, well, how about football? WVU looking pretty good with temps in the 80s. Same thing for Ohio against the Jayhawks up there in Athens, looking pretty good. And then we end out the night with the finale, 6:30 at the Joan versus Kent State Marshall. 81 at kickoff, 72 for the drive home with partly cloudy skies. Your 7-day forecast shows, well, really no flies in the ointment here with temperatures in the 80s each and every day. We usually average this time of year about 79 to 80 degrees. So we're 5 to as much as 10 degrees in some locations above average all week long. Little chance of a shower there Monday, little chance again Wednesday and Thursday, but no washouts expected, no big rain expected. All we'll be expecting is humidity really building in as we get towards the next couple of days ahead. So great tailgating weather ahead for many locations this coming weekend, and great for all those festivals around the area.